In this video, we will provide an overview and demonstration of Dixon's push-on fitting insertion tool. The push-on fitting insertion tool features an ergonomic handle that is triple reinforced with thick gauge sheet metal for heavier duty use. The tool can be bolted to a workstation, and the 4 keyholes make it easy to transfer between areas. Additionally, the open center design allows the tool to be mounted in a vise for more mobility. This tool can be used to cut push-on hose and to insert fittings. The built-in cutter slices through 1/4 inch through 3/4 inch ID reinforced push-on hose without fraying. To cut the hose, retract the cutter and place the hose in the cutter area. Pull the handle, cutting the hose to the desired length. Remove the hose from the cutter area. To assemble the fitting, place the hose under the cam handle, leaving the hose extended to the proper mark based on the size from the sticker you have on the side. Push the handle forward, locking the hose in place. Lubricate the push-on fitting and hose with P80 emulsion lubricant. Place the barbed end of the fitting snug against the hose end. Pull the slide handle up, pushing squarely on the hose all the way up to the yellow cap until it is inserted. Retract the slide handle and release the cam handle. This assembly is now ready for use. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please contact Dixon at dixonvalve.com, and be sure to like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.